So today, I'm pulling up to my brother's house because he's been calling me nonstop. He's been leaving me text messages, voicemails, crying about how much he misses the S2000 and the deep desire he has to experience the S2000 one more time. So here I am. Let's give him a little surprise.
Hey, there it is. The mystical S2K. Miss this freaking car.
I brought it just for you.
Oh, you're here too. What's up? What's up?
What?
What's up, fam? Thanks for bringing it over.
Yeah, bro, I'm here too. Nice to see you again, bro. Nice to see you again.
You brought the car though. That's what matters. All right, let me see. It's been a while.
I'm kind of hurt.
Looking thick.
You ready to experience this thing one more time?
I don't remember when was the last time I drove it. It's been a while. I might drop the top just to get the full S2000 experience. It's just like I remember it. Nothing has changed. It's still dusty. Damn, you didn't even clean that out for me?
That's why we're here.
You got a mess in there, bro.
I brought it here for you so you can clean it for me.
I just miss that S2000 smell. It smells fantastic. Sensational.
But what's that about with you calling me nonstop, man? I'm tired of hearing those voicemails about how much you want to drive this thing again. It's getting kind of annoying, you know? I got a life.
So you're gonna let me drive it?
Get out of here, bro. I'm bringing it back to you so you can drive it again, and that's how you treat me? Come on, bro, not even a hug? So currently we got this chump setting up some cameras so he can save these beautiful moments and watch the videos later in the future so he can savor the feeling.
I'm gonna go ahead and do the honors. Oh. All right, let's get in.
Let's get in.
Just like I remember it. Smells the same, feels the same. Let me get this out of the way.
Hey, yo, that's mine, bro.
Definitely miss this feeling. Where the keys at, bro? Where the keys at?
I gave them to you, man.
All right, right here.
You okay, bro?
I'm too excited. You ready for the torque?
I'm starting to doubt.
Silence. I need to enjoy this. I need to take this in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See, this is what I like about the S2Ks. When you get in them, it's like a way different feeling than all the other Japanese cars. Like on pictures, it looks like it's just a Integra interior, like it looks sporty and everything. But when you're in here, it's got a special feeling. It feels like you're in an arcade or something. The way the cluster lights up, I don't know, the steering wheel, how everything feels, it just feels like an arcade. And it makes this car so much fun to drive for some reason, even when you're not doing anything exciting. Let me see if I remember how to drive it. Probably gonna grind the gears.
That's a goofy ass car. Who drives that thing?
Definitely hear some noises.
Oh, that was a rock.
I think I came to the conclusion that to get the full S2000 experience, we gotta remove the top. Let's do it. Help me out. Okay. How was it? Oh, parking brake.
Yeah, parking brake.
Okay.
Monkey.
Whoa!
Whoa! Oh, that's bright.
I think you need a wheel bearing or some brakes, bro. You've been driving like this the whole time. You come to a stop, kind of sounds like the brakes are chirping or something.
Yeah, it's super annoying, but I got used to it. It gets worse when you're going like 25 miles per hour or so.
The steering was way smaller than I remembered it. It's got like a weird kind of shape. Now that I look at it, it's kind of tall and compact on the sides. It literally feels like you're driving a fighter jet. It reminds me of the times I used to drive my F-18 and Battlefield 3. Same feeling.
Damn, you look so nervous going uphill.
Yeah, it's a steep ass hill. Burning the hell out of the clutch for no reason.
Don't worry, I won't tell anybody. It'll be our secret. A little secret.
The viewers are gonna judge me for sure. I won't catch a break. I had enough roasting with the Corvette video that I did, the POV.
Whoa! Oh, what the fuck?
I was roasted enough right there, so I gotta redeem my name. Go as hard as I can or die trying.
Hell no, I ain't trying to die, bro. Not especially in these roads. These roads are trash. Damn, you're robbing. One time I almost had an accident on that past turn.
Yeah?
Yeah, I almost hit the rail. The G4s.
Just like I remember, no hands.
What the fuck? Put my hands back on the steering wheel, bro.
And I used to commute in this car every day to work. And that was when the Integra blew the engine, and the Corvette also blew the engine. So my brother was nice enough to let me borrow this car as a loaner, which is a pretty big privilege. A lot of people have the S2K as a dream car, and I got to drive it just as a loaner for peasants.
Peasant. Of course, bro. I was not gonna let you drive in some
Whack.
ass Challenger Scat Pack or something on a shitty slow red eye.
Bro, I hear the noise. I hear noises.
Needs a deep inspection for sure, because this car makes all kinds of noises. And the more you drive it, the worse the noises get.
And the integral is actually broken right now. That was the whole reason why I told you that I wanted to drive this car, because I didn't have anything else to drive.
Bruh. It sounds like one of those all kit cars. Sounds like a European car.
Jeez.
Yeah, like an all Porsche. NA, of course.
You're a squeak.
Damn. That is at least a tight one right here.
Well, definitely this is a great daily driver, because you don't have to modify him as much for him to be a car that catches the eye. And then just driving, doing regular driving, it's pretty fun because it feels like you're in a little Porsche. It's just a different experience when you get in this car. It's definitely a different feeling.
Alright guys, so I went to inspect the car and I can't see where the noise is coming from, but it's
getting crazy.
It's getting crazy, yeah.
Yeah, definitely appreciate the opportunity to drive this car one more time, even if it was just for a short amount of time, but the noise is getting really bad. So we gotta go right now to the house and inspect it. Click on the next video, which you're gonna see what we find that's wrong with the car, because there's definitely gotta be something visually wrong with the car.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Definitely. It's like metal rubbing. It's just getting progressively worse.
Yeah.
So we're about to go drive home and inspect it and see what the noise is coming from, because we don't want to break.
We don't want to break anything. We're planning on doing some pulls, some donuts, but we can't risk it.
So we're just gonna head home and see what the hell is that noise.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
I'm gonna enjoy the drive back for sure, but you gotta be careful.
Please, bro, don't break it even more. You broke it.
Every time I drive a car, it ends up breaking.
You're always breaking the cars, bro. Everybody's.
And I don't even do anything crazy. It just happens.
You break everybody's car, man. What's wrong with you?
It just happens, dude. It just happens. Even if we get stranded on the freeway, it's still gonna be worth it. Today was definitely worth it.